Hey there, first of all, Happy New Year's, and I hope that everyone had an amazing holiday season with your family and friends. Today's gonna be one of those New Year, New You kind of videos or something. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a flat top with a mullet. We're gonna do a skullet with a mullet. And then we're also gonna do a head shave. For those of you that are new to the channel, periodically I'll do a head shave video and I'll show different lengths using clipper guard guides, and we'll work our way from an 8 or 9 down to a no clip, and sometimes I'll do it all the way down to a razor head shave, but today we're only doing the head shave. And the tools that we're going to be using today are, hold one moment, your basic set of clippers, and I'll show you the ones that I'm using. So your basic set of clippers, today we're going to be using a number 3. And the reason being is because that's the shortest that I want to go in regard to the head shave. Before we start, I'll go ahead and I'll do a 360 so we can see what we're working with. One more thing that I forgot to mention that we will be using today is a comb, and we'll be using this for the flat top. Additionally, anything that I use today, or most of the things that I use today, I'll link in the description box below. All right, we have clippers in hand with the number 3 attachment on it at its shortest length in regard to the lever. And we're going to work our way straight up on the sides, making sure to keep the length that we have from the mullet. And yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna go. And in regard to the number 3, again, this is a matter of preference. You can do a skin fade and just work your way straight up. Just make sure that you don't go with the curvature of your head, because this is a flat top and we want it to be straight up on the sides. Going straight up. Straight up. All right, so here's what we're working with in regard to the flat top. I'm just gonna stop right here because I think this gives us a general idea what a flat top would look like with a number 3. So there's that there. I'll do a 360. So that's what we're working with. Now we're gonna get into the skullet now. Now for those of you that don't know what a skullet is essentially a head shave with keeping the party from the mullet in back. Now, a proper skullet is a head shave like completely to the skin, and it really makes the skullet stand out. But we're gonna go down to a number 3, which is 3/8 inches or 10 millimeters. And that's gonna be the skullet that we're working with. All right, here we go. So we have the business in the front, and we have the party in the back. All right, so I've gotten the no-go as far as keeping this for the next month or 2. The wife definitely wants it gone. She does appreciate it though. She says I did a really good job on it, but she said she'd much rather have it gone. So we're gonna do that. For everyone, this is my wife, Nicole. Hi. All right, now to polish this off. So here we are, number 3, which is 3/8 of an inch, or the equivalent to 10 millimeters. Now I really do prefer this length. Actually, I go between a number 2 or a number 3, but I did a number 3 this time because the wife prefers the longer length, so that's what we went with. So that's the number 3. Keep a lookout for the next video, which is going to be a fade into this number 3. Until the next one, peace! We out.